Hello everyone, welcome to Miss English Learning. Today you will learn basic English grammar, A to Z, in one video. This lesson is perfect for beginners. If you watch this video carefully, you will understand English grammar very easily. Let's start. English alphabet and word building. English has 26 letters. They help us make words. Example: A for apple, B for ball, C for cat, caillou. Sentence. Example: This is an apple. The cat is small. Parts of speech. Very easy. There are 8 parts of speech, but today we will learn the main 5. 1 noun, naming word. A noun is a naming word. Examples: Raheem school book. Sentence: There Raheem reads a book. 2 Porlac pronoun. Instead of noun, pronoun replaces a noun. Examples: I, you, he, she, it, we, they. Sentence: There Raheem is a student. He is honest. 3 Verb, action word. Verb shows action. Examples: Eat, go, read. Sentence: I read a book. 4 Adjective, describing word. Adjective describes a noun. Examples: Good, bad, small, big. Sentence: Queer. She is a good girl. 5 Mat preposition, position word, shows position. Examples: In, on, under. Sentence: Here, the book is on the table. Tense, basic grammar core, present simple. Tense structure: Care, subject plus verb, s/es. Examples: I eat rice. He eats rice. Yo, past simple tense structure. He, her, subject plus verb, past. Examples: I ate rice. He went to school. Who, future simple tense structure. Who, subject plus will plus verb. Examples: I will learn English. She will help me. Sentence structure: affirmative sentence. Huh, I like English. Huh, negative sentence. Huh, I do not like math. Hush, interrogative sentence. Hush, do you like English? WH question. Now, let's learn WH questions, which are very important for global communication. WH questions help us ask for information politely and clearly. How common WH words? What? To ask about things or ideas. What is your job? What are you learning now? Where? To ask about places. Where are you from? Where do you work? When? To ask about time. When do you start work? When is the meeting? Who? To ask about people. Who is your teacher? Who helped you? Why? To ask for reasons. Why do you want to learn English? Why is English important? How? To ask about condition or process. How are you today? How do you learn English? Common sentences. I want to learn English. Please help me. Can you explain again? I don't understand. Practice for viewers. Make sentences. I like he is. She will. English grammar is not difficult. Practice makes you perfect. Learn step by step and never give up. Thank you for watching Ms. English Learning. If this video helps you, please like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video.